Mampong and NPP flag bearer no so wajai nko cover to wajai but we want to understand certain things about the eco's NPP and in the eco's but of course on the issue of corruption now Ghana lose 3 billion no ya calculation me who say based on that findings in it say we combine part 1 of John Mahama any parts 1 and 2 of Nana Akufo-Addo. They say based on that statistics, the Ghana lose to close over about 36 billion US dollars. Sure. And now President John Mahama and so say we was say yes I say fast track it because the BI you say penny and I say an organization be a disca auditor general the beba bibia NC. Sure. And so we want to understand it properly on some of these things. Honorable Addae Nimoh, good morning.
Bejoso.
Bajo
Nyame adom ho ye.
Ede nyankopon. Yenso yen ho ye pa, yenso yen ho ye. Enkoma ye di, ye beba NPP die no so but enkoma ye di ye the issue of corruption. Enkofo bebre dia by every year ye lose 3 billion US dollars. Na ye wi a parliament mama kwotena parliament no agye atum say ye begye nti adase. Syndicated loan ni eje, IMF loan ni eje. Yakobe 17-18 times. Even foreign direct investment eba on minimum every year, which is bare 1.6 billion. No, if sika ye free on minimum enkwana twice sika abruchire for crowd ebreye. And now we are talking about corruption. It's been there, and obeboni about public accounts committee na krate for ni technocrat for abechire ma obewie no hwi ensi. And so I say e was say yes san nyomanimu ye. But on the issue of corruption in public accounts committee, so are we saying say every day yanka corruption as ye need mechanism be a betimi ateswana?
Nana medasi mini kan chia wetie for no pay. Keta asese ene proye. Yemfa nchichire o mai. Kwasi broni echichire ne mai. I say America, say Europe, say US, say Japan, say Australia, or one shall say I'm fat ketashe and the proye na ye. Into a man bia ye bema ketashe ne proye, a jin yini e womuno, yempuntu e kechi. Nemuna was a Ghana yeshia. And I say, ye bet me a ketashe and the proya. Yes, there were state institutions a Juma. Then so enforcement. Any punishment and the idea a bit in the amana ya brena say. Yink mean to us your cranoa, ye be brena say. Only Madebako. Every year, ministries, department, and agencies, MDAs, on your budget. Ye be say, ye better way, ye better way. Inti, I finish us here. Here konwa enkodru beye September no maybe a ministries and agencies and departments maybe hu say your budget no kra no be on administration or on capital expenditure yentimi and consume maybe 50% of your budget for that year. It will be the last quarter, October, November, December. Now, all kinds of procurement. All kinds of procurement. In Tiabani Sanua, FESTA, corruption related activities or procurement. And what? And me must say on my every year, Public Accounts Committee better say. Into a and a sector we ministry we, a schedule we, Sika we want to see a irregularity, and a misapplication, and a misappropriation. Near Casa West, women near the go. If we are at Munko back, now one itibetiki the action to secure the money back or recover the money, and then answer any punishment. Into me no be ibinomaya didn't say I was say a legal framework, on enforcement and punishment from Public Accounts Committee reports, I will say no more, na legal framework in a year. And this will be a director of ministry and now a head of agency. One who's a mark miss procurement. and now more the dream beer when him say and Rabbi or no more, he had me quarter me a benyame. And a view, if you are not buying us our normal course, no, a buying a few, now buying for an abba, into an info for an abba or more heady ministries, department, and agencies, no. Into never said, Obi biara report to be found who no what aban mu a no occupy that position no. I see timi twi say nipa kro no ba. Ne bebusa ne nsem. Ne ntimi nka say aban ni twa mu ni nti no. All officials are normally related to those ministries, departments and agencies and omo adwuma yi bia aban na wie ye. We had the course of public account. Obi wa ebusa ne question bia. Do betimi aka say I was not there. At that time, I was not at post. And Yemenana me were in the previous officials and they were. And previous officials no more. Na dear Quenya Quine the war no more. A bit me a rupu omunina in today's investigation or interrogation. Indeed, Nana, the me come on a decision say, I was here say somewhere anymore. Near say, we a previous appointee of any previous government. That report to be for what you might aware one. It was said also yetimi hollow before the court and now before the public account committee. That's a recommendation say was all refunded some monies to the state. Nisa taking punitive action with Chiawa. Maybe in the quarter it was yetimi. Yetimi and yes I know my radio. A beb catastrophe proye kono. A bayadi. That I can't know. In the other man, Penny also family. Or then attorney general, or Mushem anymore. And I mean, say, I'm not a bedroom to sono, or a public account committee, almost so mandate, it me vary no. Now almost to me taking some action. Then you know the Bema get us a share, any proye, a brassing.
Interesting.
Na mensan kawe, unse bibiano. You can be said prevention is better than to cure. In the first place, no, say yama corruption no cry and sia, and there will be nothing to cure. They say no, you share how to cure it all, but I was see a man needs to so call how to prevent it from happening. A biani procurement issue I'm bay say in the course of the year, MD is meaning now more budget or more running. By 6 months, by end of June, end of September, after any big scheme, you will scour your budget will scour, you use way, you utilize the way, and you hurry up, Nyankoya procurement, Nyankoya way, Nyankoto way, Nyankoto way. Nina Hage. Into our set, your procurement and actions, you tell me, yeah, dear, about preventing corruption from occurring in the first place.
Interesting.
Now the ultimate prevention, now if you the cure, no, I the enforcement and punishment.
But I mean clearly, yeah, okay. It is said, yeah, okay. You will Ghana Hayaja to Muse, Opeso obey NPP. Oh no, Opeso obey flag bearer, and now be a president, and now to be a president in Ghana, you need. First, $100 million. You will need $200 million. Recent CDD report on it. So, person will be some of mine. You need $200 million. It may be a factory baby money per year. Unti be a president. So, when I see any president talking about corruption, Kakra study will know that definitely, Yera John Mahama only said $200 million. And conform me support, some of them may be corrupt to support you. So when you come and you are talking about corruption, how does it work? Because Dr. Baumia and conform me support, And yet they are Ubenya Bakumi and Nubia, Ebiasika Phoebe, Ekahon, or Mede support you. So when you come and you are saying you are solving corruption, Sabi, is it not laughable? I am asking this because Addae Nimoh, I know your capacity. You are a presidential material, but me as an engineer.
That is correct.
But yes, obey president. First of all, forms are better credit, bear 500,000, 5 billion. I feel we ensure Sako per 4 million Ghana cedis, NPP, 40 billion. never be supported say wo kwa president. So I am asking, so you are paying almost like 50 billion just because you want to be a president. O delegates abehye omu nyambae. Enkofo abehye omu eka obebo nyambae. Enti ebewie no na wo sika e wosa ukobo nkofo ebeboa wo sa sika no nko ano ekọ just because you want to come and serve. I don't know whether it makes sense, but why would you in NPP say to become a president no kope 4 million 40 billion eka ho ansana ebia wabeye an aspirant? I mean, makes sense for me.
Nana me da say the cancer na meba NPP for the no I mean ko CDD report almost on my there ba say answer na betimi abeye o man panyini no this would me generate about $200 million or so to run your campaign, and then you can win or you lose. Now, akwenye bie ni wa yedi checks and balances. Oko abrofuni kromwa. Womu so running campaigns a womu hieskapa. But enam emra womu asise a efa public financing of campaign. No, and until no be a donation, I was able to declare. And no be near you or yen how. Yen remuno, int mean yes, sir, emranua, a fa public financing of political parties and campaign. Enti say was some ranua, and political parties in India. No, Senana Jantua during campaign, who can now call ye donation. It has to be received and receipted. Then, after the campaign, it was a political party, no presidential candidate, when we have report submitted to electoral commission or body a check it against corruption. If it is coming back, nipa baako now we have the good ojo. Until we need that law. Public financing of political parties and campaign. Individuals will contribute to, organizations will contribute to. Nanso na was say bibia no mudaho parties ni receive omo expenses nyina na be calculate ni e check. Into omo yom be submit ama auditors our audit. Into baby sika bia fire no. Ankoya ombehu. Now, in what the of France, former French President Sarkozy, only had the Nakotum for 5 years.
Yeah.
Say a maybe a president, or call Muammar Gaddafi or Libya. Say omo emanisi can call financing a campaign. One will be the president a year that do, and so I finish moving no. This ano may appear. They said the Nakotum 5 years or so. In Tiansu here a law about regulating income and expenditure of political parties and campaigns of candidates. Sesano wa nina check corruption and money ye. It may come be say obi here 200 million and you nipanunko abotom be here or this Canada. Obenya various donations at the Abba. But the records must be clear. Obi enim say at the end of the campaign, I will see a prepare your statement near submitted to a public agency. No more vetting, no more who say Oma or the TN, you be there correct. It can be said baby, we can trace it to know the Kobi Botoma Enya, Ibihu America is it will do her part of the campaign, no Aqua Quenya Sem. Near after the prison. The Yasadana. Now, mean pharmacy and NPP for the years for 4 million Ghana CDC and now 40 billion OCDC. Nanani at ATM. NPP Amanu Koli Trasa to wa a unit Esa Papa. Esa we are a chat one. And yes, a papa need party in a deep party no so bet me a call an idea call or saying. Ni NTB do Sase me na medi kan de buy some obeka ya. Na medi kan raise 4 million development fee. For the first time na yedi sadinaba. Into be our contest who could tell form a year 100,000 or 1 billion. Who could submit here? Who bet you 500,000 or 5 billion. Who can boom 600,000 or 6 billion. In addition, yes, so basically 4 million development fee. Into Nhyira bomuna 4.6 million Ghana cedis or 46 billion O cedis. O campaign how they call usika how they call campaign grants no emeka ho. We the exercise munya utia they call party headquarters. And Sani ama wakwenya say wo qualify and na say won qualify. No eh. Timedia metina ho no samusha mi statement and mi issue say for this primaries of NPP Addae Nimoh menka ho matwem ho afiri mo no. Me ma 4 reasons. You can me see data they koye primaries in January no. We are in a rush na M1 party no. 2, me can say top down approach in so aye use no e wrong M1 party no. 3, seeming bias are yehu no so no M1 party in kabomu M. 4, Saasika semia edi ba mu na M1 no eye unreasonable and unhealthy no. Ni nyina kasa no ma enai bomu M1 party no.
Right.
24 million and the idea sem NSA. Into womo de saa adwin we abeto party ni mu no. E was so mumo aniwu. Oh no. Okaka ombeka say national council decision. Oh, a national council of the party and I decided into Timia you frame.
Right.
But leadership is not for sale. You earn leadership. You don't buy it. Just last 2 years, 2023, and you call flag bearer election. 2023 no nomination form party net on 50,000. Filing fee na 300,000. Okani minu bomwa na 350,000 Ghana cedis. 2 years later, into 2025, nomination form na 50,000 no about 100,000. Filing fee na 300,000 no about 500,000. And san o masandi bibia sa pie so say a friendly development fee. Na sabe party ye kwa ben mu enfie nwotwe. Yentimi anye sika anto to develop the party. Nimoh flag bearer aspirants and ye be charge o mo charge kawe. And ye nimgwase kwa de mayen as a party. Intimo mo fa enipa bi kakra bi ko take decision emfa nko share national council. Sana akoye bia nipa bi na adwene baaye na oni ba ko mienu bi na omo adwene ho o yemfa mehiem ye de behiem a enkrofo ni bi nti bi contested e ye beye entry barrier nti wa wonti mi ntia no no ayi won afiri mu.
All right.
Na ye de twakwan de ama party ba biara wo mpanini su eni nimdie wo ho so betimi di party na ni mu ana se amre die womo mo kwa ban mu fie mwotwe a womo konyi aho sika no womo na yedi leadership no ma womo ana.
All right. Papa Infansia yedase ene unchichiru mu.
Lesme dase nana.
Honorable Addae Nimoh ena oten nka no. Odi emfre Ghana be na yenko. Now tie abrochire adesua emfaso